Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing Patreon Part 5 for July 2025 for D&D, Warhammer, and figures for your 3D printed needs. Sorry for the fan noise. It is hot as hell over here in the south, so just bear with me as much as possible. There's several section of videos I am going to be making and scheduling at the same time. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and let's begin. So we got Miles Studios, another figure one. We're going to have Sailor Moon, wearing, well, very lewd Sailor Moon, I'm guessing. And we have Emeralds of Shadow Beta as well, if you want to get Miles Studio. The other one is PG Gasta 3D figures. This is another figure one as well. I'm trying to get one that is not freaking NSFW, but we have a, forgot one of this one. This one's also in one of the Scooby-Doo cartoons. One of the singer artists as well. Lusamine and Morgana from Abby. So. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon. I already said that, didn't I? Nation Rodero 3D Studio, another figure one as well. We're getting Uranus. This is Uranus so far. Last month was Neptune, was it? No, it was Pluto. It was Pluto that we got for last month. We'll check them out. Dr. Sleepy, this is a new one that I just added in. We are getting a bust of one of, I think his name is not Hades. I don't think I did not get the game of Zagreus from Hades bust. Found out that this one they do a lot of commission work and STL work as well. Just letting you know. So new STL files each month from now on. I will be uploading each month. For the paid patrons, don't miss out, because each month the last figure will expire after a while. Okay. Okay, cast and play. We got townsfolks. So if you need your townsfolk needs, I think we did look at it on a previous video, but you know what? Repetition is pretty good. So if you're looking for your townsfolk of different creatures and races and stuff that you need for your campaign, for your D&D needs, this would be pretty much good to have, and so forth as well. Let me get some cola. So yeah, and there's some stuff I have to print out as well. So we have Highland miniatures. For this, we are getting tombs. So we got scarabs, the giant skeleton, the catapult. I forgot what these guards are called. We have foot soldiers as well. We got the two mummy priests and warlord. So this is what if you can't afford it, the ones at Games Workshop, it's like $10, $12, and you have this army right here and just 3D print it yourself. A lot of stuff I am going to be 3D printing. I know the dwarf came out. I might get my hands on that. I just got my Skaven Tide on hand as well. We got Beastarian miniatures. This is like Elden Ring and Dark Souls style of miniatures as well. Very dark and grim dark, and I'm actually printing a lot of them, and I'm going to be painting a lot of them due to the fact how my game turned out to be. I kind of gave up, and I am just going to do a Dark Souls style D&D game while they're using your D&D character as well. So we have vampire-esque style as the Abrix vampire old blood. We got the dark forest, some crazy ass townsfolk and the hunters. And we have your the blood call, the heroes, the blood caller, the half blood outcast, and Sanguine and Deku for it. And they have their own little story and stuff if you want to put that in your game. Artisan Guild, these are the orcs. I think we did look at it. We'll look at it again, because I don't remember, and I'm trying to get a lot of stuff in as much as possible for it. So we have our orcs. Yeah, we actually did look at this. So we have orcs. If you need orcs, especially you actually use a lot of these orcs for your Age of Sigmar, plus your old world as well. Just gotta probably scale it to the way you want it, and get it done as well. I think they also have magicians and banner puller. I don't know, but you do have your little shaman like Gul'dan style. That looks like Gul'dan to me from World of Warcraft. Minotaur, orc riding Minotaur and stuff, and your pinups, and one of them riding on that ape creature as well. Anyhow, orcs, come and get them. Bella Natch miniatures. They do miniatures, mostly loot. This is a June one. I'm not going to spend the money for see what they have for July. But you know, you get the idea. Mostly loot. If you want to check out their stuff, I'll leave a link down. You try to find their Facebook and stuff to see what they have. Crippling God Foundry, another D&D and also sci-fi. And looks like we're getting a throwback as well to Orc Invasion. Okay. Cyber. So these are your throwbacks. We're getting a lot of orcs this month. I just realized it. Welcome pack. You're welcome pack. It's kind of hard to see. So July Invasion. We got Etans. Orcs riding looks like some type of a dinosaur bird hybrid. Got orcs right there. Oh, we got a lot of the sci-fi version of like the Doom characters. This would be pretty cool to have. These guys you can actually probably get as a Slaanesh character as well. This you could probably Nurglify it for your drones for the Nurgle army. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. You get some Doom stuff. Lion Tower miniatures. That's February. They're not doing anything. Rocket. They're not. They're out of business. One page rules for $10 if you need your old world Age of Sigmar 40k proxies, and they also have their own rules as well. So this is actually pretty good. So we have that they have that. There we go, July. Okay, so we have more elves. And I don't know what the hell that thing's on. Shadow Stalkers. Lust Demon. Okay, basically a Yuan-ti with a gun arm. Shadow Stalkers. I don't know what Shadow Stalkers are. And we got the High Elf Fleet. I'm guessing we have your terrain pieces as well, and your ships, and your welcome packs. Looks like it. So there goes. I think these are for your Night Haunt for Age of Sigmars, if you're interested in getting that. Yeah, I think these are like Night Haunts, Undeads, and so forth as well. Interesting. You got your High Elf fleets. You know, this is going to be used for 40k. To replace your Eldars. I think you might find better Eldars, in my opinion. If they make it a little bit more closer looking, that might be a different story, but it is. We already looked at Crippling Foundry. Yeah. Yep. Clay Cyanide Miniatures. I think we already have one for July that's already popped up. I do not want to minimize it, but oh well. So we have Warforge engine miniatures, if you're interested in that. There are different types. There looks like a lot of them have just a big ass arm for punching. Some have two-sided swords, one has a big ass axe, and so forth, and guns as well. So that's Cyanide miniatures. STL miniatures. These are really good for terrain pieces. They're not doing Kickstarters for the Rangers right now. So if you want some terrains and some Rangers, I know they screwed up the 2024 D&D Rangers. So I'm just letting you guys know. So preview. I'm blazing. This is the Huntsman area. We have like a Stitch Golem. Forgot what those things are called. These birds. This is from old D&D. We got an undead. It looks like some kind of glasses visor. Undead Knight. We got flames, It looks like a cottage, not a cottage, but huntsman lodge. So yeah, get your furnitures. That looks like Rita Repulsa right there. Elf. No. Like a whole bunch of spellcasters or shamans. Oh yeah, the houses are detachable. That's actually pretty good. I think that'll be it for that. The last one but not least, the Dragon Tapper Lodge. Let's see what we have for this. For July 6th. Shadow of the Silver Creek. Looks like I have a Wendigo and a whole bunch of cowboy style miniatures with some steam clockwork horse, vampiric dragon, vampires, and werewolves as well. And we have the Gunslinger Lodge. Well, we saw a whole bunch of clockwork tower, giant ass spider, and some terrains. You probably put on your spider. Dragon Spider, Horsemen, Centaur Cowboys, and your terrain needs for your plants as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.